Good morning, everyone. So today for our reading comprehension, we're going to read The Girl and Her Horse. So remember, I told you to make sure that you put your name right here. Make sure that you put your name up top so I know when you're turning your work, who turned their work in. And first and last name, please, first and last name. And try to write on the line, on top of the line, first and last name. And try to be as neat as possible. So, reading comprehension, and remember I told you that you always start with the title. You have to read the title because the title is there to tell you what the story is about. So, we're going to do The Girl and Her Horse. The little girl has a horse. Her horse is big. Her horse is brown. She likes to ride her horse. So, let's read that again. With the title, The Girl and Her Horse. The little girl has a horse. Her horse is big. Her horse is brown. She likes to ride her horse. So now we're going to go over and we're going to answer our comprehension questions. And those questions are there to make sure that you understood what it is that you read. So the first one, the girl has a what? So we can go back to the story because the story tells us everything that we need. Everything that we need is on this compound of these 4 lines here. You don't have to go outside of the story. So the girl has a what? A, is it a horse? B, is it a cow? Or C, is it a hen? So the first line reads, the little girl has a horse. And I underline that. That's also my context clues. So in case somebody said, well, where did you find that at? Well, I found it on the first line because it told me. The little girl has a horse. So the second one. She likes to A, ride her horse, B, run and jump, C, ride her bike. So, what does she like to do? What does she like to do? She likes to ride her horse. And then we underline that. That is my context clue. And then we circle. The horse is what? What is the horse? Is it A, little and brown, B, big and blue, or C, big and brown? So let's see what the story says. Her horse is what? Big. Her horse is brown. So it's going to be C. Her horse is big and brown. So we read the story of the girl and her horse. And there are 3 stars up top. So why don't you color those a different color? So maybe you can do one red, one blue, one yellow, or whatever color you desire. Try to make them 3 different colors. Do something different. Okay, and that's our lesson for today. Have a great day.